How rare is your body? Let's find out. About 10% of people have something called restless leg syndrome, and this is a condition that's characterized by an irresistible urge to move or shake your legs, and it normally occurs when you're sitting or lying down, and it can range in severity. Less than 1% of people have something called the jumping Frenchman of Maine, and this is characterized by an uncontrollable yet exaggerated response to being startled or scared. And people with this condition might yell, scream, throw their arms up, or throw things to an unexpected sound or even just a poke. About 40% of people have a difficult time swallowing pills. This normally comes from a fear of gagging, and oftentimes comes from a previous bad experience trying to swallow pills, which can cause the throat muscles to tighten up and make it even more difficult. About 20% of people have dyslexia. Dyslexia is a learning disability that can cause trouble with processing words and numbers, and it can range in severity. Some people just mix up words like left and felt, and sometimes words blend together and remove spaces.